you doing, man? What the fuck you doing?
I honestly didn't see him.
You didn't see him?
I didn't see him.
Yeah, he has to be filmed because he's driving there. This man get killed.
You are planning to film it, sir.
Of course, it's evidence, you know? It's evidence. I saw him like you
Pull him from a man.
You're mad, man.
Pull him from a man. So if you pull over, I'll explain all the details. Are you alright, though, yeah? Are you okay?